So the meaning of retardation is what?
Negative acceleration.
Very good. Retardation means the direction of acceleration, is opposite to the velocity. Of object. Means if the acceleration to be acts in the opposite direction of the velocity, then this type of acceleration is actually retardation. Am I right or wrong? That means, that is, if v is positive direction, if v is acts along positive direction, then retardation should be negative direction. Am I right or wrong? Tell me, bachcho yaar. Tell me na. And
You are
if
right, sir.
v is x towards negative direction, so retardation, for retardation, the acceleration should be acting positive direction. So please be careful about this complete concept about retardation. Now let us see the question. I want to explain. A particle starts moving rectilinearly. Rectilinear means it is moving a rectilinear motion, one dimension motion at t equal to 0. That is, means from this information, from this line, this initial velocity of the particle is 0. It is start from rest, such that its velocity v changes with the time t according to the relation v is equal to t square minus t. This expression is gives that the velocity is a function of time. Clear, my dear friends?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the question is asked, find the time interval. That means how much amount of the durations when the acceleration become as a retardation. That means when the velocity is negative, then acceleration should be positive. When the acceleration is negative, then velocity should be positive. Clear, bachcho?
Yes, sir.
So let us see. Let us see. Here, v is equal to t square minus t. So for differentiation here, the velocity is a function of time. So for differentiation, a is equal to, for acceleration, differentiating on both sides, differentiating on both sides with respect to time. If you differentiate this function on both sides, then you can see this is dv over dt is equal to, what is the differentiation of t square? Tell me.
2t.
2t. And what is the differentiation of t?
Minus
1.
So this is the dv, rate of change in velocity is called acceleration, na my dear.
Yes, sir.
So bacha, the acceleration of this particle is what? 2t minus 1. Bolo bhai, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, listen very carefully. The acceleration should be 0 at t is equal to what? Acceleration 0 at t equal to, at t is equal to,
Half.
1/2.
that is means at t equal to 1 by 2 second, at t is equal to 1 by 2 second, that means 2t minus 1 equal to 0, that means a equal t equal to 1 by 2. Means at t is equal to 1 by 2 seconds, at t is equal to 1 by 2 seconds, the acceleration of the particle is 0. That means if t equal to, matlab if means if the time is greater than 1 by 2 seconds, the acceleration is positive. Am I right or wrong? Tell me, my dear friends.
Yes.
at t equal t is greater than 1 by 2, then acceleration should be positive. Clear, my dear friends? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, see again, v is equal to t square minus t. So here, if this should be less than 0, कब हो सकता है? Tell me. T square minus t, negative. Negative कब? Less than 0 means it should be negative. It should be negative. So tell me, it's a t square minus t is less than 0 when t is less than 1 second.
One. Yes.
And if the velocity, if the time is less than 1 second, then the velocity of the particle is negative. Bolo bhai, yes or no? Tell me, dear.
Yes, sir.
That's why if from this information, my dear friends, आप अगर ध्यान से देखो तो from this information, ये जो आपके पास information है ना, और ये information जो है ये वाली, ये दोनों इंफॉर्मेशन से एक आइडिया आपको मिल रहा होगा कि सर ने ये बोला कि t अगर if t the time is greater than 1 by 2, then acceleration should be positive, and if the time is greater than 1 by 2 but less than 1, then the velocity of the charge, velocity of the particle is what? If the time is less than 1 and greater than 1 by 2, then velocity of the particle is negative. So if the velocity, if the particle is moving along the negative direction, and acceleration should be at the positive direction, then this acceleration is called as retardation.
Retardation.
Am I
Yes,
right
sir.
or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So my dear friend, what is the interval? Interval is
1 to 1 by.
time interval is half 1 by 2 seconds to 1 by 2 to 2 to t, 1 second. Neither 1 nor 1 by 2. Please remember, if the time is less than 1 second, then velocity should be what? In the negative x direction. Clear, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Clear this question?
Yes, sir.
So let us see this question. A particle moves rectilinearly with a d acceleration. First of all, here this is a d acceleration. What is the magnitude of d acceleration? So the magnitude of d acceleration depends on the velocity as v equal to k root v. Okay. At t equal to 0, initial velocity of the particle is v naught. At t equal to 0. So the question is asked how much amount of the distance, total distance, when it become a stop, and also total time. Let us see, my dear friends. This is the easy question. First of all, here acceleration is minus k square root of v. So if the question is asked about displacement and the acceleration is the function of velocity, so please use the formula a is equal to v dv over dx. Do you remember? Hello.
Yes, sir.
A question. Otherwise, your learning is zero. Sticky. Let us see this question. A particle moves rectilinearly with deceleration. Deceleration means it is the retardation. Okay. So retardation should be negative, na? Retardation is the negative sign indicates that it is retardation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Clear,
Yes.
Niranjan, why I want to take a negative sign?
Yes, sir.
Square root of v not be by a अक्षता 2 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ v नॉट by a। टाइम बिल्कुल सही है बच्चा, a क्यों लिया, a क्यों लिया, a बस गलत है, यहाँ पर a गलत है, k के फॉर्म में आना चाहिए। चलिए देखते हैं। So if the question is asked about displacement, here the question asked about distance and the function is velocity. So let us think यार कब velocity का function हो और मैं displacement निकाल सकता हूं। तो we know very well कि अगर बच्चों if you use this formula, a is equal to v dv over dx is equal to minus k square root of v, so you can very easily elaborate the distance. Okay, so let us see, it's v dv over dx is equal to minus k square root of v. Square root of v cancel out होके इधर square root of v हो जाएगा. So this will be k, sorry, it's square root of v dv is equal to minus k dx. Okay, so please do the integration on both sides. It's a v to the power 1 by 2 dv integration is equal to minus k integration dx. Let us see, x equal to 0, the velocity is v naught. In question, this function is given at t equal to 0, the velocity is x. Matlab, see, x equal to 0, the velocity is v naught, and x, this is the total distance at velocity is 0. Finally, it will be at rest. So this, what is the integration over v ki power 1 by 2? Tell me, my dear friends. What is the integration?
V to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2.
V to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. That's why this is called as 2 by 3. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
And limit is v naught to 0 is equal to minus, what is the integration over dx?
X.
X, very good. And limit is 0 to
X.
Okay, put the values is the upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 by 3, the 0 to the power 3 by 2 minus v naught to the power 3 by 2 is equal to minus k into x minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit. So my dear friends, 0 to the power something is 0.
Yes.
And 0 minus something is always negative, na? So this minus 2 by 3 into v naught to the power 3 by 2 is equal to minus kx. Am I right or wrong?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Minus minus cancel out, and the result is x, this total distance is 2 by 3 v naught to the power 3 by 2. My dear friends, the total distance covered by the particle is total distance covered by particle. This is 2 by 3 v naught to the power 3 by 2. Clear? First expression is clear. What is the physics? There is no any physics. Single formula is used in this question. And the whole question is solved with simple integration. So if you're comfortable to solve the integration, you can solve each and every formula based on the non-uniform motion. Clear? Clear, my dear friends? Now the question is next part. Next part of this question is total time. So here again, acceleration is minus k square root of v. Now let us think about when you got the time. So when the acceleration is used like this is dv over dt, then you got the time. Clear, my dear friends? So मेरे दोस्तों, आप ये समझो कि अगर आपको वेलोसिटी का फंक्शन दिया गया हो, acceleration, if the acceleration is the function of velocity, then the question is asked about total displacement, total distance. So use the formula v dv over dx. If the acceleration is the function of velocity and the question is asked about the time, then please use the formula dv over dt. Clear, my dear friends?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
do you
Yes, sir.
understand when you use the dv over dt and when you use the dv over dx? Okay. So simple cross multiplication dv, the v to the power square 1 by 2 is equal to minus k dt. Integrate कर देते हैं, integration on both sides. So v to the power minus 1 by 2 dv is equal to minus k dt. Now integration on both sides. At t equal to 0, in this question, at t equal to 0, the velocity is v naught. At time t, the velocity is 0. So what is the integration over v to the power minus 1 by 2? It's a v to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Limit is v naught to 0 is equal to minus k, and the integration over dt is t. Limit is 0 to t. My dear friends, t to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. And this is also 1 by 2 is equal to limit is v naught to 0 is minus k t upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, my dear friend. So this is the 2 into upper limit 0 to the power 1 by 2 minus v naught to the power 1 by 2 is equal to minus k t. My dear friend, 0 minus something is negative. So minus 2 v naught to the power 1 by 2 is equal to kt. Now the total time is minus kt. Its total time is 2 square root of v naught by k. So this is the total time of motion of the particle. Total time of motion. So my dear friend, let us see the note point of this question, and you can learn this point. If acceleration is a function of velocity, if acceleration is a function of velocity and question is asked about distance or displacement, if distance or displacement or if the question is asked about find the distance or displacement, so please use this form. This a is equal to v dv over dx. And if the question is asked about time, then please use a is equal to dv over dt. Clear, my dear friend? Please remember this flow chart. This flow chart is very, very helpful for your upcoming exam. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो इस क्वेश्चंस को आप लोग करिएगा, फिर अपन कल की क्लास में आपको बताते हैं. क्लियर बच्चों? ओके,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
बाय, टेक केयर.